What's going on, YouTube? Today I want to talk to you guys about this network bridge device right here. It's an incredible device that helps you connect your internet from your main building to an external building. For example, in my case, I have a main building, my house, and my detached garage. Now, I've tried a bunch of Wi-Fi extenders and all kinds of stuff to try and get internet from my house to my garage. My garage is my workspace, my gym, and everything. But I've been having a lot of connection issues for the longest. My main house is actually fiber optic. It's it's pretty strong, but to my garage it just doesn't work. Now, when this company reached out to me to make a video about this product, I was extremely excited about it. I'll be honest, I had never heard about this device, something like this before, so I was pretty excited about it. I wanted to see if it would really work, and sure enough, I've already installed it. You get two devices in the box. One connects to your main router, and the second one connects via line of sight to the external building, which in my case, again, is a detached garage. You want to make sure it's in line of sight, and it will shoot signal straight over there. It is much stronger than what your regular router can do. So this thing is an incredible device. It allows you to connect everything else from in your main building. For example, if you have a farm and you have a guest house or something that's kind of far away, you can use this device right here to send internet signal. That way you don't have to do it all wired. In my case, I really can't do it wired. So this is an incredible device. I'm gonna get behind the camera and show you guys how I installed it, where I installed mine, and how it all works. So this is where the one that goes into my garage is connected. As you guys can see, I have it wired here. This is my garage. And now show you guys where the other one is mounted. Now this is where the outdoor version, the outdoor portion of the one that connects via wired to my router is mounted. As you guys can see, the signal, it is pretty on. Like I said, my garage is detached from my house. Now it doesn't seem far, but the thing is, I have masonry and concrete walls. You know, it's they're very thick walls, so it's hard for internet to penetrate and reach all the way to my garage. Like I said, from here to my garage is 60 feet. So the internet connection without this device to my garage is very spotty. It does not work well. But this device right here has made it so much easier to send internet signal to my garage, and I am so happy that I was able to get this. To set it up, first thing you want to do is you want to connect the Ethernet cable to your PC. If your PC doesn't have a cable Ethernet port, you can buy one of those adapters, or you can connect to the Wi-Fi and look in the manuals to do that. But once you're connected to your Ethernet cable, you want to go to the to the internet settings. You want to go to this part right here that says more adapter options. You want to click edit. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, then properties. Then here you will click on use the following IP address and type in exactly what you see here and click on OK. Keep in mind, after you have already set up everything, you will need to come back and click on the automatic option. Once you are done with that, now you're going to type in the IP address into your web browser and it will take you straight to this page. You can log into this page by clicking on, I believe, admin. You can check your manual to see what IP address you need to type in and to verify the password. But once you're here, now you can change your SSID and adjust some other settings that you want to adjust. But look in your manual and it will make sense on how to proceed with this page. Once you're done with this page right here, don't forget to go back to this page and click on obtain an IP address automatically. Once you do that, now you can actually access your internet and browse online as you typically would. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys watching. Everything I say in this video has been 100% my opinion. I'm not paid or sponsored for this video. I'm just happy that the company was able to send me this product. If you want one, there's going to be a link in the description. Grab you one. This will save you a whole lot of headache and internet connection. Thank you and peace.